Hi, nieces and nephews. Welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen, and happy Father's Day to all of you fathers out there. No, I know this is my first father. That's my oven because I'm getting ready to cook. First Father's Day without Skip. Caitlin's taking it really hard. I'm okay. So what I've decided to do is throw myself into one of his favorite beef dishes. It's a herb crusted beef roast. So I'm going to throw myself into baking that, okay? So give me a moment. I'm going to do a flip and a swip. Yes, it takes time to build cabinet doors. He's going to send me a photo of the ones he's finished. It takes time. He said he can put temporary doors on. I don't want temporary. I want mine. It does take time to carve them out. So that's not going to stop me from doing what I do because I have to keep going. Can't let that stop me, okay? I will do a flip and a swip, and we're going to get started. Hold on. Okay, this is a nice big round roast. I forgot the cut of the meat, and I've already thrown the wrap in the trash, and I've already washed this. And can't go digging in the trash. We got to keep it clean. Got to keep it clean going. So what I have a 1/4 cup of this. I'm telling you, this is really good. This Montreal steak by Grill Mates. I have a 1/4 cup of this, that Montreal steak. I have 3 teaspoons, okay, 1 tablespoon, because 3 teaspoons equal a tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of thyme, and I have 2 teaspoons of rosemary. And to this, I have a 1/2 cup of Worcestershire sauce, and I added another 1/2 cup of water. Now, I've already washed and dried this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray it with olive oil. So I'm trying not to cross-contaminate. I'm going to spray this with some olive oil because I want my seasonings to stick. Give this a nice bath. Yes, I spray the fat side down too. All parts of it got to get some attention. Okay, now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my seasonings and my herbs and combine them into one bowl. A little housekeeping. A little housekeeping. And I'm going to mix all these up. Now, I'm going to sprinkle this and get it all on my roast. Beef cut, whatever you want to call it. No, Auntie, I don't like, Now, when I cut this, because when it gets halfway done, I'm going to slice it into slices and finish the roasting process. And the grain is going this way. So I'm going to cut against the grain to get a more nicer cut. I want to give the sides some attention as well. And olive oil helps your herbs and spices stick to it. That's why I based it with olive oil. And as you can see, I am losing some, but that's okay because it's going to be in this. It's going to be in my thingy. It's going to be in my pan. That is quite all right. Now, I'm not going to pour. Hold on. Pack that on really, really good. Now, what I'm going to do with this liquidy, I'm going to pour it in the pan. I'm not pouring it on top. I'm pouring it in the pan. And as it forms a crust, I would take this and drizzle over it, baste it. But I don't want to do that now, but I want to take these off. Little housekeeping. And then I am going to cover this I'm going to cover this for about the first 30 minutes. I am going to cover this, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, to keep my foil from sticking to and messing up my crust, I'm gonna spray it with some Pam so it won't stick. My oven is already preheated for 350, and I'm gonna set it for 1 hour. And don't make this tight. You wanna give it a roof. See, I didn't put it, it's not touching the roast, but just in case it does falter. That's why I have the pan. So this is going to go in the oven at 350. It's a total 3-hour bake time. It's going to bake for 1/2. So I'm going to put my timer on and get it started. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, nieces and nephews. We're halfway through, and that's why I sliced it. Yes, sliced it thick because that's the way my son likes his beef. Yes, prepping for my son. So here it is. You see, I couldn't eat red meat like that. So I'm going to cover this and put it back in the oven. Like I said, this baked at 350 for 1.5 hours. I'm going to put this back in the oven for 1 hour and let this finish cooking, and then it's all nice and done. Unfortunately, Caitlin and I we have a dinner date today. So we have to get ready to go. So I won't be able to show you the finished product live on this video, but you will see it in the thumbnail. Okay, so this is what it looked like at 1.5 hours. This is 1.5 hours at 350. When you slice it, put it in the oven for another hour to completely cook it. Okay, but I love you guys. To the next upload, I will see you later. Mwah, hugs and kisses. Well, hugs and kisses. Mwah. See you guys later, okay? Yeah. Yeah, we have a reservation, and we have to be there in an hour. So I will talk to you guys later. Love you. Oh, and thank you for your support. Bye-bye.